The paragraphs module lets editors build a page out of reusable, reorderable content sections, a text block, then an image, then a quote instead of one giant unstructured body field. Before we touch any code, here's the whole idea in a few facts. A paragraph type is like a mini content type, meant to be nested inside another entity's field, not used standalone. An entity reference revisions field on a content type is what allows adding, reordering, and removing paragraphs. Editors get real drag-and-drop reordering and an add button between existing sections. Cardinality -1 means unlimited. An editor can add as many paragraphs of that type as needed, in any order. Entity_reference_revisions, not a plain entity reference, keeps paragraph content versioned alongside the parent's own revisions. Paragraphs is a widely used contributed module, not part of Drupal core, installed the same way as any other composer package. A paragraph type is configured exactly like a content type, add whatever fields make sense for that one reusable section. Cardinality -1 means unlimited. An editor can add as many recipe step paragraphs as needed, in any order. Paragraphs use entity reference revisions rather than a plain entity reference, because each paragraph's content is versioned right along with the parent node's own revisions. This revision linking is exactly why paragraphs uses a specialized field type instead of a plain entity_reference. Editorial history stays accurate across the whole nested structure. Here's the real difference. A paragraph type is a mini content type meant to be nested inside another entity's field. A paragraph type is a mini content type meant to be nested inside another entity's field. Entity_reference_revisions, not a plain entity reference, is what links paragraphs to their parent's revision history. Unlimited cardinality lets editors add, reorder, and remove as many sections as needed. Create a recipe step paragraph type and attach it to recipe with unlimited cardinality. Thanks for learning with us. Come back soon.